Hello everyone, I'm TURGAY from Bulunmaz company. Somebody know me, somebody maybe don't know, I don't know. Today I will explain how to make homemade bangle. Just we need one bangle, two Bulunmaz diamond tools and 50,000 RPM machine. Just we start. First we start this PCD 2 millimeters 140 degree. We make just straight line. We do like this, and later we put 3 millimeters hammer, 3 millimeter flat hammerhead. Oh, finish bangle. Very easy, quickly. So you can make like this homemade bangle. Very easy. Now finish. Goodbye everyone.